Updating your address on Visible is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Visible website or open the Visible app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or profile icon. Step 3. Select Address Information. In the Account Settings, find the option for Address or Personal Information. Click on this to view current address details. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new address in the provided fields. Make sure to double-check for any typos or errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your address is updated in the system. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the address change. Keeping your information up to date is important for service continuity.